So you have to put this for some extra aroma, and it really kapama is ready. Our Turkish egg dish is ready. To another dish called shakshuka. Now for this I require, so you can have it with that too. So you can have it directly from the pan. Have you ever tried Turkish eggs for breakfast? Please try it. They are super yummy. Today I'll show you two Turkish dishes, egg dishes for breakfast. One is shakshuka and the other is kapama. Have you ever thought of preparing this dish at home? Both these dishes are very simple to make and they will be ready in just 10 to 15 minutes or even lesser than that. Hello, good morning everybody. It is a beautiful morning today, and today I have decided that I will show you two egg dishes, but both the dishes are Turkish breakfast recipes. So normally we always eat normal fried eggs or omelets or boiled eggs and all these kind of varieties of eggs for breakfast, but today I'll teach you a different version which is not yet introduced to us. So I'll show you how to make amazing egg dish for breakfast which can be eaten with toast. So the first I'll show you two dishes today. So first I'll show you a dish called kapama. So this is a boiled egg dish. So for this I will require a pan first. I have taken only two boiled eggs just to show you all how to make it. So you all can take as many as you all feel like. So the amount of people or the amount of eggs you feel like eating on that day, you can take as many eggs. Boil them first. So first I've already boiled these eggs and I have kept them aside, and now I have kept a pan on the stove. I'll start the stove now and I will add butter to the pan. So this is a very quick dish. It will be ready in just a few minutes. So you have to put this much butter and let the butter melt properly in low heat. A nutty fragrance starts coming and all the butter is melted. Paprika powder. If you like hot, you can add more. So butter is already salty, so we'll not add too much salt. Chili flakes. We have these sweet chili flakes. So we'll add that. We'll mix it up all properly like this, and we'll cut our boiled eggs into halves like this and keep them upside down in the sauce we made just now. So do all of this in a low flame. This is a very tasty dish. So yeah, so it is done. So this is all we have to do. We have to put all the sauces, the buttery sauce on the egg like this, and this we can eat with toasted bread. So it goes very well with toasted bread, or you can even eat it with the pancakes which I had taught you. Potato pancakes, the savory pancake which I had taught you. Kasik tokmesi. So you can have it with kasik tokmesi too. It tastes really well. So once all of this is done, we'll switch off the stove. So it is so simple. And then we will, if you have dried mint leaves, you can add dried mint leaves. But here I have some fenugreek, dried fenugreek or kasuri methi leaves. So I will sprinkle this on the top like this. So you have to put this for some extra aroma, and it really tastes awesome. You will thank me for this. Kapama is ready. Our Turkish egg dish is ready. So now I'll teach you another dish called shakshuka. Now for this I require tomatoes. If there are more people, you can take 3 tomatoes. So you have to remove this top of this tomato like this. and we'll have to blanch the tomatoes. So I'll show you what is blanching. So we have to slit off this very lightly, only the skin like this, and slit it off like this. Don't cut it, just the skin we are slitting off, just to make a line over here. Now we'll keep both these tomatoes, add enough water to this, and just for 5 minutes we'll heat it and boil till the water boils. And so look, our tomatoes are boiled now. So what we'll do is we'll remove the skin of it. The skin will automatically come out like this, and put this entire tomato in your blender like this. So I have skinned both the tomatoes and I will place it in my blender and I will blend it. I'll make it into a paste now. So this entire process just takes around 3 to 4 minutes. So take a look, we blended our tomatoes into a puree. So this is called tomato puree. So this is how you make tomato puree. So we have kept our pan and we will start making our shakshuka. We will put around 1 big spoon of butter into our pan. If you are adding olive oil to this, you can add only 1 small teaspoon of butter to this. But if you are not adding olive oil, put 1 big teaspoon of butter into this. Now once your butter goes inside, add your tomato puree. Add some salt. Add some red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Require a little bit more spicier, you can put another half teaspoon. Now mix it all together like this. Add some sweet chili flakes. So this you get it in the market, or you even get it along with the pizza delivery. So you can always use that. Sprinkle some pepper to this. A teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. If you have only garlic also, you can put garlic pods too. It tastes really amazing. Now I have taken 2 eggs over here. So I'll break open the egg and I'll put it right inside this. Like this. And let the eggs fry. Lower the flame and let the eggs fry properly. Now we'll put some pepper powder. We'll grind it, black pepper powder. Just for a minute we'll cover it and we'll cook it. Now we'll just open it and we'll add some fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi to this. So fenugreek leaves are very important for this. But if you don't have, it's fine. But it tastes really amazing. After you add this fenugreek leaves, it tastes really amazing. So so our dish is ready. Our shakshuka is ready. Turkish eggs these are, and we can have this with our toasted bread, and we can even have this with any kind of rotis you have, or we can have it with our pancakes. So the pancakes which I had taught you, potato pancakes, Kasik Tokmesi. So you can have it with that too. So you can have it directly from the pan like this, or you can have it, you can put it on a plate and have it. Very, very, very tasty. It is very yummy. After you prepare it, you will realize how tasty it is, and you will really fall in love with this dish. So try it at home, and it takes hardly any time to prepare. Let me know in the comment section whether you liked it, and send me the pics too, guys. Thank you. So take a look. Our shakshuka is ready. Our kapama is ready. So I have served this with Kasik Tokmesi and some tea. So this is a complete Turkish breakfast, and this looks really amazing. So it's morning time and I am enjoying my breakfast with my family. So y'all to make this, and it hardly took me around 15 minutes to prepare all of this. So y'all can also do that and quickly have a very hearty, healthy breakfast, and your day will begin in a beautiful note. Try these healthy breakfast options in the morning, and it's really simple to make and it's very healthy too.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, simply city.